Hi, this is Lisa with Cleaner Supply, here to answer another one of your questions. There's nothing worse than coming to work and finding your gravity-fed iron sitting in a puddle of water. Or maybe you have your iron hooked up, it's hot, it's ready to go, you press your micro switch and nothing comes out. I'm here today to tell you you don't need to buy a new iron. Chances are likely that you need to replace the plunger. It's an easy and inexpensive fix, and today I'm going to show you how. Come on, let's get started. We estimate it will take about 5 to 10 minutes to replace the plunger on your gravity-fed iron. We give this 1 out of 4 screwdrivers on our difficulty scale. Begin by removing the nut attached to the hose nipple using a wrench. Take off the hose nipple. Next, tip the iron over to remove the plunger and spring from the solenoid. Use a cotton swab to clean out any dirt, debris, or resin that might have collected in there. Once this is done, take the new spring and plunger that is specified for your iron and reinstall it. Insert the spring into the base of the plunger. Make sure the spring goes in first or the plunger will not operate correctly. You also want to be careful that the spring doesn't slide out and get jammed in the valve. So to do this, with the iron turned upside down, insert the spring and plunger up and into the valve. Slowly turn the iron right side up with your fingers still over the hole. The plunger and spring should slide down into place. Next, check to see if the plunger and spring were reinstalled properly. With your iron plugged in, place your thumb over the opening and push the micro switch. You should feel the plunger sinking down and then popping back up, hitting your thumb once the micro switch is released. If everything looks good, then you can replace the hose nipple, the nut, and reattach the hose. You should be able to press in no time. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need any parts, be sure to contact us or visit us online. We're here to help. We'll see you next time.